Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So look, if you're interested in making money from home and working online, then in this video I'm going to give you numerous different methods that you can use and get started with today. I'll also drop a link to this article here which I've just uploaded onto my blog. It's took, believe it or not, nearly 2 weeks to get this actually up, and I'll show you why. If you just drag this down here, look, can see this is the ultimate guide to make money from home. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and pick out a few of these different methods, and I'll show you examples of this. I'll show you how this works and how you can get this set up. But if you want to, go ahead and check out this article, because I'm not going to cover all of the methods within this video. I'm just not, it would take me probably all night. But what I'll do is I'll go through and I'll literally pick out a couple of these for you, and I'll give you some actual examples of this and just share with you, some really simple methods of how you can get started making money online and from home, because contrary to belief, you can actually do this. So let's go up here and we'll just start with one. So this is a great one here. So participate in study and research groups. So why I like this method and why I recommend this method is you can go ahead and get paid to participate in research groups. Now the website which I am a member of and I also recommend is this one here, and it's called Respondent, and I'll show you why I recommend this. Let's just go and search for Respondent. Go on to here. So over on this website here, you can sign up and get started with these today for free. Now this company here, they've been around for a number of years. They've worked with some of the biggest names online that you can think of. If I scroll down, look, you can see down here, they work with or have worked with GoDaddy, Airbnb, Microsoft, Dropbox, and lots more. So how does it work? So basically, you see all of these companies here. What they do is they come over to this website Respondent when they're looking for people to basically go ahead and trial a product, test a service, look at the website, or give their thoughts and feedback on a certain subject or a certain topic. Now once you create a free account, you can see here over on my blog, this was yesterday, there were currently 400 projects available, and as a snapshot you can see on the right hand side here how much you'll get paid for the task. It will tell you a little bit about this. So look at this one here. Parents, are you thinking about buying smart speaker for your kids? We'd love to hear from you. So you can participate in a research group here about buying a smart speaker for your kids, and you can earn $75. We've got some, what's this, looking for decision makers to shape our upcoming product release. This one here, they'll pay you $150. So this website here, it's been around for a long time. It works with lots of companies on here. You can come over to the website here, and you can also go to, is it customers or, oh sorry, if I take it up here, let me try and find this for you very quickly. I think it's on customers, yeah, featured stories. So you can go through and read some of these featured stories. Look, eBay classified groups, Earnest. You can go through and have a look at basically people who have participated in these research groups, and also you can get the feedback from like eBay and the other companies of how their campaigns went basically. But this website here, it's 100% free to get started with. It's been around for a number of years, and basically you complete your profile, put a little bit of information about yourself on here, and then it will match you up to any relevant jobs or tasks or participant groups that you can join. And then it also has the option where you can apply to groups as well. So to get started with this website here called Respondent, just come over to the website respondent.io, and you want to click on research. You want to click on Respondents. Then here, look, you can see get paid to help cutting edge projects come to life. Scroll further down the page, it walks through the whole process. Literally 4 steps. Verify your profile, get matched, participate, and then you get paid. Scroll down here, let's keep going down, start earning today. So you simply click on sign up here, and you go through the sign up process, and that's it. That is how you go ahead and get paid to literally participate in study and research groups. So respondent.io, and don't worry if I'm going too quick for you, the links to everything I'm mentioning will be below for you, and I'll also drop a link over to the blog article. So if I come further up the page, the next one we've got is eBay, so we won't look at that one. Let's come up here, match betting. This one here, this is a great method. So you see this here, retail arbitrage with Fiverr. So this is not the traditional, I mean, I've included how you can make money selling gigs on Fiverr, but I like this method here, and it's very simple to do. If you can copy and paste, you can make money with this method. So this is retail arbitrage with Fiverr. So let me take you over to Fiverr now. So this website here is called Fiverr.com. Now you can see here I've typed in results for Google Top 3 Guaranteed. So I've just searched up here Google Top 3 Guaranteed, and the reason being is why I've actually typed in this specific keyword here is I've come over to this website here, SEOclerk.com, and this is just on the home page, and I've literally just scrolled, well, I've not even scrolled down. Look, these are the top results on the home page of this website here. Now, I've seen some examples on here, so look at this. Rank on Google first page. So there's someone selling this link down here, but if we come down here, look, Google Top 3 Guaranteed. This person here, they've currently got 1,059 rating, 1,059 feedback with a current rating of 96%, and they're offering this service here for $199. So I've gone over to Fiverr and I've typed in Google Top 3 Guaranteed. And look, I will do website SEO for Top 3 Ranking Guaranteed. This is starting at £41.14. Now I'm in the UK, so obviously it's showing me UK prices. But this is 41. This over here was 199. So if I convert this to UK, this is about £180. So you can see there's quite a bit of a difference between the price over on this website here, this SEO Clerks, and this price over here on Fiverr. And you can look, you can go through, look, there's another one here, 57, and just go through and find these. So how do you make money with this method? Well, you simply, in this example here, is you would go over to this website here, SEO Clerks, you would put up your listing similar to this one here, and then once your listing over on this website here sells, you then jump over onto Fiverr, you buy the listing from this person on Fiverr. Once they've completed the work and sent you the download file, or the video or the Excel spreadsheet or whatever it is that you're purchasing, you then send it over to your buyer on this website here, and you pocket the difference. So you basically are acting as a middleman, and you're taking the profit between how much you're charging and how much you're laying out for the actual service. And look, this is just one example. On the blog, I'll give you another example, which was this one here. I will send real human traffic to your website. So this is a great one. I know you can do this very cheaply. Come over to SEO Clerks, and we're just going to click on here, search, type in human. Believe it or not, if you don't understand what this means, there is a method online whereby it's basically you get like computer generated bots where they'll send a lot of traffic over to your website, and you can get in trouble from Google and penalised for this. But here I've just typed in human traffic, and scroll down here, you can see, look at this, 15,000 real human visitors traffic to your website for $5. Let's go over to Fiverr and type in human traffic. Come down here, look at this one here. Look, I will drive traffic of 30,000 visitors in 30 days. £8, £4, £8, £4. So basically, again, all you're doing is you're just going through these two websites here using Fiverr and SEO Clerks, and you're finding whereby you can make a pretty decent amount of commission, if you want to call it that, for arbitrage between the two websites. So it's just a case of going through this website here, SEO Clerks and Fiverr, finding different gigs and listings that you can put up yourself, and then flip between the two different websites. It's as simple as that. Another website that you can use for this is Conquer.com or Conquer.io. You can even use sites like Etsy if you really wanted to. So that's another example for you. That there is retail arbitrage with Fiverr. And look, you can also do retail arbitrage between eBay and Amazon. You can do it between Amazon and Etsy, and eBay and Etsy, and again, lots more of these different ways. But retail arbitrage, it's simple, it's easy, and ultimately a lot of it is genuinely copy and paste. So that is another method for you that we've created in here. Let's just keep scrolling up a little bit more. This is some more stuff about eBay, freelance writing. We've got blogging in here. Let me just go a bit further up. Let me find one more for you, and then we'll come out with this. So how about this one here? We'll finish on this one here. So we'll finish with this on YouTube. Now YouTube, it's an absolutely awesome method to make money online and from home, and you don't have to be, look, I've even put this in the blog article, you can earn money from YouTube without being on camera, without having to speak. You don't need expensive lighting equipment, cameras, you don't even need any experience with this. But how does it work? Well, in terms of making money on YouTube, you can get started earning money from your very first video that you put up on the platform. And look, I'm not saying to you it's guaranteed that the first video you put up is going to earn money. It absolutely may not do, but it could do as well. But if I come down here, look, how can you make money with a YouTube channel? I've just highlighted some points here. We've got paid advertisements, we've got sponsored videos, product reviews, affiliate marketing, merchandise, and lots more. So I've put also as well here, lots of people tend to focus on this here, which is paid advertisements, which is basically whereby YouTube put an ad at the beginning of the video or in the middle of the video, or a couple in the video or at the end. But in order to get these advertisements placed on your YouTube videos, you've got to hit some criteria, and the criteria is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of view time. Now this can take a long time for this to get achieved, and this is another reason why many people stop uploading onto YouTube or they quit, because they think it's just too much like hard work. One thing that I recommend with making money on YouTube is literally start with affiliate marketing. It's the simplest and the easiest way to make money with this platform. It really is. Now, as I've mentioned, you can do this without being on camera or anything. You don't need any experience. And I also shared this post. I mean, this was in 2019. This was the first time my YouTube channel earned over $1,000 in a day from affiliate commissions. Just insane. But it does take some time and effort. And you can see here, I only started taking the channel seriously a little over 6 months ago. After 3.5 months of posting content and getting hardly any views, I seriously considered quitting. But what did I do? Well, I went ahead and purchased a lot of different YouTube courses. I figured out the algorithm in a sense. I went through and trialed different things, tested things. I looked at thumbnails, click-through rates, audience retention, and lots more. But look, if you're interested in making money online and from home with YouTube, and also without being on camera, then if you scroll down here, you can check out my course. I've got a paid course which you can go ahead and have a look at. This is literally everything I know about YouTube condensed into a complete course. There's testimonials and lots more on there. But if you don't have any money, that's not a problem. I've also got for you a free YouTube course that you can get access to as well, and this will walk you through how to set up your channel, what you need to do, what you don't need to do. So that there is a few different options for you that you can use to start making money online and from home. This isn't the traditional go and do online surveys and that stuff, because truthfully, you're wasting your time. Online surveys, people will tell you they're a great method to work. They're a great method to make money online, and an easy method. Yes, they're easy. It's not a great method. You will not earn a lot of money from taking online paid surveys. The truth of the matter is, people who recommend you to go ahead and take those surveys, they make pretty good money because you earn somewhere like $3 or $5 per sign up. But taking online surveys, they're not a great way to go. If you are going to go down that route of, giving away your information and participating, then you're better off with market research groups like Respondent, which we looked at earlier. So that's just a few different methods that you can use to start making money online and from home. But look, I'll drop a link to this article below for you. There's so much more on here. We've got affiliate marketing, how to create ebooks, low content ebooks. We've got creating resources over on Etsy. And we've got Amazon FBA. There's so much more on here. Drop shipping, flipping products, and a lot more. So look, I'll drop the link to this article below for you. Please, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like for me. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.